If you want more information about this product, look in my description below this video. And don't forget, slap that subscribe button. This is the Pro Advanced Neck Massager. It does Shiatsu massaging, heating, and 3 speeds. It's also rechargeable. Let's turn it over. In the back, it has Velcro, and it is stretchable to go ahead and wrap it around, maybe another pillow, and it's very flexible. Also have in the back a retractable power cord, and it can come out for use, and it can go back into the back right here in this hole. I like that it also has a handle on the top for easy carrying. The fabric is soft. You have breathable mesh, so that makes it softer on the skin. It's equipped with 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. When it needs to be charged, it's a blinking green light. When it's fully charged, the green light becomes a solid color green. This massage pillow is a 1-button opening function. You can switch from different modes with just this 1 button. This is the heat with the massage, going in circle of motion. The heat is not a very hot heat. It's more of like a little warm. But these things that's going around is like little knobs. So they massage really deeply. And then you hit the button again and it goes the opposite way. And when it's red, you still know that it's still heating. It's equipped with an overheat protection, which will automatically shut off in 15 minutes for safety. I'm going to hit it one more time. And now you see that there is no heat. It's just the massage going in a circle of motion. And it's a pretty deep massage. And hit it one more time, and it goes off. Now, let's check out the speed. We're going to turn it on, and then we're going to hit the other button, and look at the speed. You got slow. That's a very slower. Close so you can see it. And then you hit it again. And that's a medium speed. Hit it again. Now you have a faster speed. If it leaves muscle soreness throughout the body, the neck, the back, the foot, the shoulders, the legs, every ache and muscle tension, comment, like, and slap that subscribe button.